Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how to add and customize pop-ups in the Wix Harmony Editor. Today, we are going to learn how to link elements to pop-ups. Let's get started. On the Wix Editor, make sure that your pop-up is opened. So to do that, go to this drop-down over here, look for your pop-up page, and click on it so that you can switch to it here on the editor. Now, click on the element within the pop-up that you'd like to work on. Say, for example, this button. And on the action bar above, click on the link button. Click on Choose a Link. And this small window will appear. Here, select what you'd like to link to. You could link a page, a section within a page, a web address, a document, an email, phone number, pop-up, top or bottom of page, WhatsApp, and address. And depending on what type of link you chose, you must input the necessary info or upload the specific document. Say, for example, if you want to link your chosen element to a page, make sure that you select the page where you would like your visitors to be taken to once they click on that linked element. Also set additional details or additional settings below. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click on Done. And to see it in action or to see if it worked, we can go ahead and click on Preview. And we're going to try to click on our button to see if it takes us to where we set it up to take our site visitors. In my case, I set it up to take us to our menu page. So let's see if it works. And there we go. I think it worked just fine. So that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.